Text you when you get back.
So you said over here?
Track 11.
Attention please. Please secure all personal belongings. Unattended items will be confiscated. All items should have identification tags. Tags are available at the ticket office. TSA regulations allow for random passenger identification checks on board trains. Passengers may be also subject to random security screening. Please use handrails on stairs. Be aware of moving vehicles and monitor children closely. If you observe suspicious activity or unattended baggage, please. Attention please.
Looks like 70 transformer down, looks on track 18. Looks like Jamaica, many of the things we regret transformer down, track 18.
Attention please. This is a boarding call for Amtrak Acela train 2263 en route to Washington with intermediate stops. Passengers should proceed to track 13. Attention please. This is a boarding call for Amtrak Northeast Regional Train 105 en route to Washington with intermediate stops. Passengers should proceed to track 11.